In this video, you are going to see how to make this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us insert a picture from my computer. Let us choose this one, click on Insert. Then the image will be inserted and make sure it covers the whole slide. You can click on over here, go to Picture Format, Crop, Aspect ratio, make it 16:9 and click on outside and adjust it with the slide. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here Title Slide. Change the font to Team A and change the font size to 180 point and increase the text box size and put it like this. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a parallelogram shape and drag it over here and adjust it like this. Select the shape and hold down the Ctrl key, then select the text box. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shape and choose Combine. Go to Shape Fill, choose White Fill Color. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and choose Offset Center. Now let us add some extra text over here. And go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and let us add another text here. Let us put some text over here. Now click on the image, go to Animation, go to Add Animation, choose Grow and Shrink. Choose With Previous and go to Animation pane, go to Effect option, make it Auto Reverse. Go to Timing, choose Until End of Slide and make the size 130 point and hit enter and click on OK. Now let us watch the slideshow and here you will see this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.